Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature.
Once our environment was aesthetic. It was breathtaking. Color green can be seen everywhere. It was refreshing to see. Everything was fine and bright. The animals were freely living, the sky was blue, the water was clear, and the air was so fresh. Its different beauty and life is what makes Earth different from the others. Indeed, Earth is a beautiful place to live. However, a new generation is upon us. A generation with new technology and find everything around them meaningless.
Our generation.
And the continuously moving of urbanization over the last few years, our environment is hurting. We didn't appreciate and see what we had until everything changes.
Deforestation is the permanent removal of trees to make room for something besides forests. This can include clearing the land for agriculture, using the timber for fuel, construction, or manufacturing. The causes of deforestation can be natural or even through human activities. This may include floods, hurricanes, fire, parasites, agricultural expansion, and infrastructure development.
Pollution can take the form of chemical substances or energy, such as noise, heat, or light. Mutants, the components of pollution, can be either foreign substances or naturally occurring contaminants. Passenger vehicles are a major pollution contributor, producing significant amounts of nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, and other pollution. Factories contaminate the air by blowing chemical vapors and smoke out through vents and smokestacks, burning waste in open dumps or incinerators. Air pollution that harms people can also harm other living things.
Littering is the improper disposal of waste products. It can happen unintentionally or even intentionally, but both can cause serious consequences for the environment. Litter causes pollution. As litter degrades, chemicals and microparticles are released that causes contamination in land, air, and water that impacts humans and animals.
The population is continuing increasing. Every day, an estimate of 360,000 newborn babies will have been added to our community. Breathing the same oxygen, sharing the same space, and creating more and more greenhouse gases. So what makes overpopulation a sustainability issue? Decline in death rate, poverty, and lack of family planning. Fresh water is only 0.5% is accessible to humans. If we keep ignoring this exponential population rise, nature will reduce human population for us. What can we do to prevent this?
Save.
Save. Save.
Save.
Save.
Save.
Save.
Save.
Save our planet Earth.
Educate.
Tree planting is recognized as one of the engaging environmentally friendly activities, having sustainable benefits for it produces more oxygen in our air, reduce greenhouse gases, serve as natural habitats for endangered animal species, produce healthier soil and natural humidity control. If we want to preserve Earth for the next generation, recycling is really important. Recycling helps protect the environment, reduces pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, prevents loss of biodiversity, and conserve natural resources. Conservation of energy reduces pollution because it lowers down the number of resources that are put to use. This causes less of toxins being released into the thin air. It is also to be considered that the conservation of energy is all about human behavior. Water conservation is important because it keeps water pure and clean while protecting the environment. Conservation means using water wisely and responsibly. Keeping our water supply safe and pure will protect the water for the next generations.